A garage door off the track in Colorado Springs is not a browsing decision. Someone is late for work in Rockrimmon. A spring snapped in Stetson Hills. They search garage door repair near me. Garage door spring, Colorado Springs, same day. They tap a pin and they want a truck before lunch. If your listing is not in that map pack, the broken door is someone else's invoice. Referrals still matter, but the panic search does not wait for a neighbor to text your name. Garage door companies lose this in boring ways. Wrong category. Hours that say closed when you actually run emergency. No photos of real doors, real springs, real vans. Reviews that stopped 2 years ago. A website that says Colorado, but never says Colorado Springs, Briargate, or Falcon. Name, address, and phone have to match. If the Google pin sits on the old shop and the site has a new one, Google will not guess in your favor. Service area has to be honest. You cannot rank for every suburb by claiming the whole Front Range. The shops winning garage door repair Colorado Springs have photos of broken springs, off-track doors, and the actual van. They rank for garage door spring and opener repair, not just a vague contractor listing. Reviews mention same day in Rockrimmon and Stetson Hills. That is what the panicked searcher taps. We look at garage door repair Colorado Springs the way a dispatcher looks at a call board. Who is showing? Who is getting the tap? What is broken on your profile? Plain English, month to month. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to Casey'sSEO.com.